friends, it's Stephanie with Savvy Girl Saves, and it is Wednesday box challenge party day, and I'm so excited. All right, let's get going. So last week some of these were in big binders, and I forgot I had some of these little binders. Like this used to be my 1 month ahead, and this one, I don't know where it came from, but I switched some of these to the smaller binders because them big ones were just big. All right, so the first one we're doing is the All the Pets 2.0 box. Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets, and I'm using this to save for my kitty fund. We're going to give these a good shuffle and get playing. I just look forward to this so much. I love these box challenges. All right, I have 10. Let's make some room here. 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28. Oh, because I had 25, but there was a $3 rollover from last week. 28. Who would do that? Who would do that? Like, I need the stuff to be, you know, balanced and even. All right, I am looking for, let's do pink. All right, let's get started. So how you doing? How's your week? Happy hump day. All right, we got a bird. It looks like a parrot. I don't know, birds are not my area of expertise. I don't really know if any animals are of my expertise. All right, here it is, and it is a 4. And we're gonna do the big one, 5, 6. So 5 and 6 going in on this one. Stays in play. Oh, that's a golden retriever. I do know that. At the party over the weekend, the surprise party we went to, there was like 80 dogs there. And I am not a dog person. I'm actually kind of afraid, especially if they just come charging at me. I get really afraid. All right, 4 and 3 is 7. We have any change in here? Yeah, let's see what we got. Maybe we can put the 10 in. Nope. Anyway, oh, we could put in the 5. We could put, nope, we're just gonna do this. 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm kind of afraid. So like I gotta warm up to them like they gotta warm up to me. And we're gonna put the 2 5s back and take the 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know there's an easier way to do it. I'm not doing it that way. I do things the hard way. All right, still in play. But my husband was in hog heaven. He loves dogs. Oh my God, if we could have 80 dogs, he would. I would have 80 kittens, but he just loves dogs. And it's not fair. I don't feel like it's fair when you live in a condo to the dog, because like there's no yard. There's no yard. There's no place to just let it go run. You can walk the dog every day. We've got this cute little piggy for 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Oops, just throwing money around here, people. Going in there, still in play. All right, and oh, the goose right above it. So that's 2. Oh, we got plenty. 1, 2, 3 plus the bonus going in here. Anyway, yeah, there's a lot of dogs, and he just loves them, and they like flock to him because they know that he loves them. That looks like a chinchilla. I think that's a chinchilla. Is that a chinchilla? It's not a mouse because he's got the fluffy tail. It's a chinchilla. All right, that's what I'm gonna call it. Let's see where that cutie is. Here it is. All right, and this is 5. Oh, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, dang. We're gonna have to do an IOU. Are we gonna have to do an IOU? I don't want to do an IOU. Let's just roll that over to next week. Let's roll it over to next week, people. That's what we got to do. So we got $4 for next week. I don't want to do an IOU. When you only play with like $20, we've already been through this. When you only play with like $20 and you have like a $9 IOU, that only gives you like $11 to play with. I don't do that, so I'm not going to do it. All right, I will put all that together after. The next one is my Mexican box. This is funding my son's birthday dinner. Birthday day, birthday dinner. This is from CBA Mom Saves. Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets is free. CBA Mom Saves other like $2, $3, $4 on her Etsy. They're super cheap. We're gonna give these a good whirl. Let's get these a good shuffle. And all right, let's play. So much easier in the smaller one. All right, so we got 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then there was a $1 rollover from last week's play. All right, let's see what we got. All right, we got soda, quesadillas, and guacamole. Soda, quesadillas, and a different kind of guacamole. All right, there's the quesadillas, which is $2. $2 going in here. And so you could put them back in play, but I like to play the whole card and then just put it out. I mean, but like I said, you could really do these any way you want. Guacamole and soda. All right, here's the soda. Looks like it's its own drink card for $2 going in here. And where is the guac? Did I miss it? I obviously did. So let's, are you yelling at me? It's right there. Stop flipping the page. Like seriously, do I not see it? Oh, here it is. $3 for this one. All right, and $1, $2, $3 going in here, and we're gonna cross this one off. The pink is not very bright, but that's fine. That's out of play. All right, next we have bean dip and some tacos. Let's see. Bean dip and tacos. Sometimes this makes me like want to be real quiet. Oh, that one's already marked off. You know what? Don't matter. We're gonna put another $1 in anyway. It's the rollover dollar from last week. And then let's find the bean dip thing. Bean dip thing. Where is it? Oh my God, here it is. Okay, so this is a dessert. Maybe this is a dessert of some sort. If you know what this is, let me know, because I have no idea what that is. $3. 1, 2, 3. All right, we might have to make some change or put in some big bills. All right, we got water, peppers. Let's see, water. Kids. Water. All right, there's the water for $2. Let me see if I can make some change somewhere in one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And we'll put in a 5. Let's see if I can make change anywhere else. I didn't condense this one on purpose just because I figured I might need the dollars. All right, this one I can definitely make some change. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And 10 and 5 and singles. See, there we go. All right, so we found the water. We're looking for the peppers and this double beefy bean burrito taco stand-up nacho looking thing. All right, here's the peppers. Oh, they're on the same page. Look at that. So we got 1 and 3, which is 4. And if there's a $1 in here, we're gonna put in the 5. All right, there's that one. Oh, here's some words. Thank you for your support. Total amount saved. Obviously, that's not a game. That's the last one you fill out. All right, here we go. Add $2 to the total for these yummy milkshakes. Let's see. Is there a game? Is there a game? We got some milkshakes. Where's the milkshakes? Here we go, $4. Add $2, so that's $6. 5 and 6 going in here. This pink was not a wise choice for this one, but that's okay. Sorry, that goes out of play. And next one, oh, more words. Roll the dice and times the number listed for this item by the number on the dice. All right, let's find those. Looks like bean and cheese. Beans and cheese. All right, here we go. 1 on my dice right here, and we're gonna roll 6 times 2. Roll the dice. Okay, so 1 times 2 is 2, right? Okay, and that goes there. Let's cross this out, and this one goes here. All right, so we got more peppers and another dinner dish. Let's see. With the 3 on there. Here we go. And oh, here it is. 4. I'm so focused on this, I probably went right by the peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going in here. Oh, just got a little bit of overcast. Sorry if that got a little darker there. All right, and let's find the peppers, and that's probably gonna be it for this box. 1, 2, 3, 4. You shut your face again. All right, there we go. All right, so this one is done for this week. Let's put these in here. These are out of play in this bag, out of play. And I laminated the front of these. I laminated the front of all my boxes because I am for sure playing them more than once. Because I love boxes, and you know, if you already have them and you love them, just keep playing them. It's like, I know you want to buy more, but like, what would I do with this afterwards? All right, and the last one for today is the zoo. Let's visit the zoo. This is also CBA Mom Saves, and let's get rid of this pink because this one don't work. Let's try orange. All right, so let's get our money. Now this box is, my husband is napping on the couch. This box is funding a trip, a surprise trip for him. I actually haven't decided now because I know I said his birthday. I was going to do his birthday, which is November, but next March is a very special 10-year anniversary celebration for him. Not for the both of us, just for him. So I might just surprise him just to acknowledge that 10 years. I'm not going to get into it here, but it's a big day. So anyway, let's play this one here. Oh, let's count our money first. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. And then I had $2 roll over from last week. See, I like how those rollover works. All right, we got a parrot. All right. This is also CBA Mom Saves. I am not sure if I said that. She's the one that did the taco box also. And her and I just finished a box. Ha 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 ha. We just finished a box collaboration that will be free. Okay, I don't know. Well, this orange will be fine. All right, and we're gonna save 1 and 4, which is 10. No, 1 and 4 is 5. So you could either save the $1 4 times, or you could save $1 plus these as bonuses. Like, you can really do it any way you want. I'm choosing to save big because I have time. To save big, so that's what I'm doing. But yes, Joe and I have a box coming out end of August, I think is the date we decided. I'm not quite sure, but it's going to be free on our Ko-fis. All right, and this is one. Oh, I shouldn't have crossed that one off because it's not done yet, right? This is not wet. It's not going to work. I'll wash it off later. I cut this is a trick to reuse these. I cut a magic eraser and you get it a little wet and you go like this and it literally just wipes everything right off. Of the lamination. I only laminate the front. Anyway, so this is 1 and 4 is 5. So yeah, we got a box coming out and I'm super, super excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super excited to be playing that with her and sharing it with you guys. It's going to be free. And it's like fall themed. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. Tell me in the comments below what kind of box you would like to play, because I've been tossing around making one myself. All right, here's the bald eagle, and it's 1 and 4 is 5. Let's see if we get a, nope, not yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder if one of these envelopes I can break one of these 10s. Let's see what's in here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope. I want to do a box and I have like 2 ideas in mind. I'm just looking for money to break this 10. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Singles, 5, 10. Oh, and 2 5s is a 10. Perfect. Even though nothing technically went in there. And I'm going to give it away as a freebie because it's going to be my first one and it might just be a train wreck. Doesn't really look that hard, but boy, this is a lot of work. So let me know what kind of box you might want to do or play with me, because I would love some ideas. I really would love some ideas. All right, here's the parrot, and it is 1 and 4 is 5. 5 going in here, and all right. Oh, I love this little car. So that's 1 and 4 is 5. I'm seeing a pattern here, Joe. I'm seeing a pattern, but that's okay. That's okay. 1 and 5. This one goes out. This one goes, oh, 3 times the next card. Oh, I wish I got that in the beginning. In the beginning when I had more money. All right, it's an owl. Let's see. An owl. This one? No, how cute is that panda? Oh, here's the owl. Oh my God, it's a 5. You've got to be kidding. I definitely don't have enough. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. Actually, I do if I just don't do a bonus. So we're going to do 5 times 3 is 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoo! We just made it. See, we just make it work. I'm not going to mark this. These are both going to go back into play. And let's see if we can make this one work. If not, we'll just roll it over to next week and put the card back in play. So it's $2. We're just going to put the $2 in here because this is $2 and we won't do a bonus. And we'll put the bonus in when it comes around again. See, that's how I play, people. You don't have to be too strict. You don't have to be too strict. All right, savvy friends, that is it for our box challenge party this Wednesday. I hope that your week is going really fantastically. I will put all these back together off camera, but I hope that you have a fantastic week and everything is going as planned because it's hump day. We're almost to the weekend. All right, friends, links to all the things will be in the description box below. See you later. Bye.